Hey everyone, just checking in. It's a wonderful spring day today. I'm really enjoying the warm weather, especially coming back from Dubai. You always have that shock when you come back from a hot country because where you live is always really cold, but it's actually quite nice. Apparently it's going to turn again though. Hope everyone's having a good start to their week. I'm getting back into the swing of things. Loads to do, loads to organise. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting back on stage this weekend. This Saturday we're going to be performing at Kinky Palace in Sinsheim in Germany. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, wishing everyone a lovely day. Goodbye.